Welcome to Natural Poonam, a space where gentle, natural beauty begins with peace and care. Today, we'll be making a calming, anti-aging mask step by step. Each ingredient is selected to rebalance your skin and bring back its glow. This mask helps tighten the skin and reduces the look of fine lines. With regular use, your skin appears smoother, firmer, and more youthful. We'll begin with our first ingredient, instant coffee. Its antioxidants energize dull skin and help fight early signs of aging. Add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee to a clean bowl. Choose a fine, good quality coffee so it absorbs well. Instant coffee refreshes and tones the skin gently. It stimulates blood flow and supports a naturally bright complexion. Pour in 4 tablespoons of liquid milk. Let it flow slowly for a creamy and comforting blend. Milk deeply hydrates and brightens the skin. It nourishes the skin barrier, keeping it soft, smooth, and supple. Stir gently until the coffee dissolves fully. Use a spoon or small whisk to make a smooth liquid base. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This will thicken the mixture and give it a creamy feel. Cornstarch also brightens the skin softly and evenly, leaving it calm, smooth, and velvety. Mix everything together with patience. Continue until the ingredients blend into a single smooth mixture. You should now have a lump-free, creamy consistency. The texture should feel light and silky. Transfer this mixture into a small saucepan. Be sure the pan is clean and heat-safe. Place it on low heat and stir constantly. This will gradually turn the mixture into a creamy base. Keep stirring without stopping. Slow, steady mixing helps the ingredients blend perfectly. When it thickens into a soft, silky cream, turn off the heat. Your mask base is now ready. You'll have a smooth, nourishing cream with a pleasant fragrance and texture. Set it aside and let it cool completely. Cooling helps the mixture settle beautifully. Once cooled, transfer it to a clean bowl. This will be the first base layer of our anti-aging cream. Now in another saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds offer deep hydration and improve skin elasticity. Add water and boil the flax seeds for about 5 minutes. This gentle simmer releases their natural gel. After boiling, remove from heat and let it cool a little. You'll see the water turning into a light golden gel. Strain this using gauze or a thin cloth. Press gently to collect every drop of the flaxseed gel. This gel is rich in natural skin-loving nutrients. It forms a beautiful anti-aging foundation for our cream. Flax seeds contain omega-3 and antioxidants. These help boost collagen and improve firmness. This collagen-supporting gel enhances elasticity. Over time, your skin feels tighter, smoother, and renewed. Now, add 2 teaspoons of the coffee cream we prepared earlier. This adds warmth, toning, and balance to the mixture. Store any leftover cream in a sealed glass jar. Keep it refrigerated to maintain freshness. Gently mix the flax gel and coffee cream together. They should blend into a silky, unified mixture. You'll notice a glowing, creamy texture forming. This becomes the base of your rejuvenating anti-aging cream. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. It seals in moisture and boosts softness. Coconut oil nourishes, smoothens, and lightly tightens the skin, giving the mask a spa-like finish. Stir again until everything comes together smoothly. Your anti-aging cream is now creamy and luxurious. Next, let's talk about storage. Proper storage keeps the cream fresh and effective. Pour it into a clean, lidded glass jar. This protects its texture and natural goodness. Keep it refrigerated for up to 7 days. This helps maintain purity and soothing benefits. This amount is perfect for around 4 daily applications. Prepare a bigger batch if you prefer. Now let's move to the application steps. Take your time. This is your moment to relax. Apply a generous layer to clean skin. Make sure your face is free from makeup or dust. Spread it evenly across your face and neck. Let your fingers glide slowly for a calming massage. Focus on areas with visible lines. Work around the eyes, forehead, and smile lines. Massage gently until the cream absorbs. Feel the soothing blend melt into your skin. Leave it on for 30 minutes of pure relaxation. Let your skin breathe and unwind. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water. This helps close the pores and refresh the skin. You'll notice your skin looking firmer and radiant after the first use. It will feel fresh, smooth, and renewed. Repeat daily for noticeable youthfulness. Each day brings you closer to naturally glowing skin. Thank you for joining this gentle skincare routine. Your commitment to self-care truly matters. For more calming and effective natural remedies, subscribe and stay connected with Natural Poonam. We share simple, natural skincare recipes every week, created to support your long-lasting beauty. See you in the next Natural Poonam tutorial. Till then, stay peaceful, glowing, and beautifully confident.